Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to explain System.setProperty that we use while writing any Selenium code and before launching any browser. Okay, so you must have seen that whenever we want to launch the browser, so before that, on what on whichever browser we want to run our Selenium code, what we do is we use these two lines of code, System.setProperty, and in brackets we pass webdriver dot. In this example, suppose we are using the Chrome browser, so we use webdriver.chrome.driver, and then as a second argument we give the path where we keep our um, driver .exe file, and then after that only we initialize our driver like this: webdriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, or whatever the browser we are using. Accordingly we use the driver class here. So what exactly these two lines of code does, and why do we need this system.set property before creating the instance of the driver? So let's check out in this video. So first of all, let me tell you about this line system.set property, that in this system, this is a Java class and it has nothing to do with the Selenium libraries. Okay. So what we first of all, I will explain that what is system class in Java. So system is a Java class that belongs to java.lang package, and it is a final class and does not provide any public constructors. Means we cannot create instance of the system class. So it has some inbuilt variables and methods that we can use to set the system properties and environment variables as we do it here. Okay, so here system is a Java class and set property is the method of the of this system class. Okay, now this, what does this set property method do? So as the name suggests, the set property method enables us to set properties for the desired browser for test automation. So this has two attributes: property name and its value. See, this is the property name and this is the value, the path to the driver.exe file. So this is the syntax of this method. This is how we use it. And now let me explain that why do we use it and why it is needed. So to automate any test for any specific browser, be it Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox, we need to download the browser specific drivers first, as browsers do not have built-in servers for test automation. So what these drivers do, they act as a bridge between the test scripts and browser for the test automation. Okay. Once the driver is downloaded for a specific server, we need to set the property we need the set property method to define the path for that driver before writing any test case. So this helps our web driver identify the browser on which the test will be executed. So for example, on my system, if I have my ChromeDriver.exe file in the following location, for example, inside the D folder and inside this browser binaries and this particular path. So what I'll do is I will be using system.setProperty as the first argument. I'll pass webdriver.chrome.driver, and as a second argument I'll give the location of the driver.exe file. So as I have already told you that it has two parameters, key and value. The key is webdriver.chrome.driver and the value is the path of the driver.exe file. So all in all, we have to do this to configure the WebDriver implementation. In this case, we are setting the path to the browser driver executable files. Okay. So basically, if in an interview you will be asked that why we are using it, So our main focus is to tell our interviewer that as the browsers do not have built-in servers for test automation, so we need to use these browsers driver, and these drivers act as a bridge between test scripts and browser for test automation. And to tell our Selenium script that how do we do it, we need to set the our system's property and give the path to the respective driver executable file. Hope it's clear. Um, Let me tell you one more thing, that nowadays we have WebDriver Manager. So WebDriver Manager basically is an open source tool that does everything for us. We don't need to do it like in this case we have to do is simply by using the built-in functionalities of the WebDriver libraries, we can simply find and download and set up all the configurations we need for the particular browser. So I'll be making another videos on that in detail. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.